3 sightings, 3 investigations, 3 files that were never fully closed. Police showed up with cameras rolling. Scientists ran the tests. And in every single case something was left unexplained. Stick around for the third one because the officers who responded still won't talk about what they saw. In the fall of 2015, a hunter near Hollow Creek, Kentucky, was checking his trail cameras just after sunset. What he caught on video sent shockwaves through the small hunting community. A tall, thin figure walking upright across a logging road. Not on 4 legs like an animal, on 2. The hunter later said it moved like a person, but it did not look like one. Within days, the footage had spread across hunting forums and local news picked it up, calling it a modern-day Skinwalker sighting. Wildlife officials investigated and released a statement. The animal in the footage was consistent with a black bear suffering from a severe case of mange. Mange strips an animal of its fur and can cause it to walk upright for short distances, especially when its balance is affected by the disease. Case closed according to the state. But here is the detail that kept the story alive. The comparison footage wildlife officials used to make their determination was never released to the public. No side-by-side, no follow-up trail cam confirmation. Just a written statement. To this day, the original hunter maintains he has hunted that ridge for over 20 years and has seen plenty of mangy bears. He says this was not that. In the summer of 2019, drivers on Interstate 70 near Zanesville, Ohio began reporting something strange. A pale, motionless figure standing on a pedestrian overpass at 3 in the morning. Night after night, multiple dash cam clips surfaced showing the same tall, still shape backlit by headlights. Local pages started calling him the Overpass Man, and a small internet legend was born within a week. Police were flooded with calls. Officers were dispatched to the overpass and the mystery was solved almost immediately. The man was a night shift factory worker who parked there during his breaks to smoke and get fresh air. He had no idea he had become a local legend. Case closed in under 72 hours. No DNA, no forensics, no mystery. And yet, the original dash cam clips are still shared today, usually stripped of any context or explanation. The legend outlived the answer. In the spring of 2021, residents near Redwater Lake started losing livestock. Goats and chickens found dead with no clear cause and no signs of a predator attack. Tension in the small community was already high when one family reported something far stranger. 2 tall, thin figures standing near their dock late at night watching the house. The father grabbed a trail camera the next evening and caught a blurry image of what looked like 2 elongated pale shapes near the water. State police were called in. Officers walked the property, searched the tree line, and reviewed the footage. Weeks later, the department closed the case with a single word: inconclusive. Not solved, not debunked, just inconclusive. A forensic photo analyst who later reviewed the image for a local news segment suggested the shapes were consistent with a double exposure error caused by a malfunctioning trail camera. The family rejected that explanation. They say the camera was functioning perfectly before that night and stopped working entirely after. They handed it over to police for testing. It was never returned, and the department has not commented on its whereabouts since. Body cam footage from the officers who searched the property that night is on record as existing. It has never been released. Local reporters have filed requests for over a year. Every request has been denied, citing an open investigation. An investigation the department also describes as closed. A mangy bear, a night shift worker, and a case marked inconclusive with sealed footage nobody can see. 2 of these were solved in days. One of them still is not. If you think you know what happened at Redwater Lake, let us know in the comments. And if you want the next case file, subscribe because there is always one more that never got closed.